Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have kind of a fun video. I am going to be teaching myself to do at-home lash extensions, and if it goes well, then I'll be teaching you guys too. So I picked up everything that I need from Ulta this morning. So let's see. I got the Bond and Seal by Kiss Falscara. So one side is the bond, one side is the seal. There's like a specific order to use that in. And then afterwards, you use this, the overnighter, basically just like holds everything in place. And then I got a lash applicator just because I have like regular tweezers, but I think that this long piece is gonna be helpful when doing the applications. And then, I got this Falscara remover just because I don't know how easily they're gonna come off when I'm ready to like do a new set. And then there's a few different ways a few different methods you can use. So the original method is to just use these like individuals and apply them that way. But if you want like a fuller look, then you can get regular lashes and you can cut them into thirds and then overlap them on your eye. So I haven't decided which look I'm going for yet, but I decided to pick up all three. All of this like wasn't even that expensive. It's way cheaper than even getting a lash fill. So if this works out, I'm gonna be a very, very happy camper. And by works out, I mean lasts a week. I will be happy. I'm pretty used to having lash extensions, so I know how to care for them and like extend them as long as I can. Like I don't get them wet in the shower. I sleep so that I'm not like laying on my eyes. So yeah, and then I also grabbed a couple tools. I got my handy dandy lash curler. This one's by Revlon, and I just used a makeup wipe and like cleaned all the mascara off of it. And then I just have a spoolie. So I think that's everything that we're gonna need. I think I'm gonna take off my makeup so that we have a fresh palette, and then I'm gonna switch locations and we're gonna do this thing. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting with these Ardell Wispies. My face is freshly washed and nighttime skincare routine is applied. So I'm just gonna pick out 2 lashes and then I'm going to cut each one into thirds to make for easier application underneath the eyelashes because they're not going on top of the eyelashes like normal strip lashes would. So now that that's done, I'm just going to brush out my eyelashes before applying any product to them. And then I'm also going to curl them with my lash curler just to kind of set them. So going in with the bond side, I am just going to brush that through my lashes. It's like putting on mascara. The instructions say a little goes a long way, so you don't need to like dip it into the bottle and apply another coat or anything. Just one coat is fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick up my first third of the lashes. It's going to be the outer third because I'm starting working outwards in. So the longest side is going to go on the outside, and you literally just place it right underneath your lashes, and it just kind of sticks to them. Like you don't really have to do much, it just attaches to it. Now going in with the middle third, I'm just going to place it right next to that first one that I had put on. And this is where I get a little meticulous because I want it to be perfectly aligned with the first part that I put on. So you're going to see some struggles here of me basically like restarting at some point. But that's okay. The whole process still was really fast, and it's okay to, play around with it because nothing is like set in stone yet. So now I'm just grabbing the seal end and I'm going to put a light coat of that underneath the lashes that I just applied. And we're just going to do the same exact steps for the other eye. So I'm going to apply the overnighter underneath my eyelashes. This product helps to keep the lashes really sealed in place. You can go swimming. It helps so that you can like do more intense activities and keep it on longer. But I felt like it was just a little too sticky, and maybe I wasn't using it correctly, but it just made my eyelashes stick to my eyelids at night. So now I just skip this step. I just wanted to give a little update on my lash extensions. This is day 2, so I've had them on for like 48 hours now, and I feel like they look so good. They look so like not natural, but they look like I have lash extensions, and they've been pretty durable so far. I accidentally washed them today in the shower. Like, I straight up put soap. I'm normally really good about having lash extensions and like cleaning around them, but I literally put soap directly on them and they're fine. Like, they have not budged, and I really like them. So I highly recommend. I think for the next time I do them, I might cut the Ardell Wispies into 4 sections instead of 3, because I just feel like the bands are a little too long because they're straight, right? So you can't tell from far away, but close up I can just tell that they would round out with my eye a little better if I cut them into 4 sections. So we will see for next time, but I highly recommend for anyone who wants to do it. It honestly was so fast. I was shocked. Let me know if you guys try it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.